You don't have a chef's hat, so where's the rat?
Where's the rat?
The rat that controls you. You're like really good.
The rat, like Ratatouille, the movie.
Yes, but where is he in the...
I don't have a rat, sorry. I just never have a rat in my life.
You're just that good, huh?
Thank God I don't have a rat in the kitchen, my God.
That's good. No, I wasn't going there.
Yeah, I'm Rich Brian.
And I'm Joji, and we're back at Feast Mansion.
Last season, we mastered the art of the French omelet, became world-class sushi chefs, and ate a bunch of bull testicles.
Now that we're master chefs, we're bringing even more of the 88 Rising family along for round 2.
Boys are out today because they suck, so I'm taking over today.
Let's go.
Indomie is not Indomie without these guys. Whoever the fuck came up with these, I don't know why you're not the most celebrated man on this earth.
I thought it'd be fun to pull some noodles together today.
This is really mesmerizing. This is great.
Oh, yo, man.
That's wild, bro.
This season, we've got more special guests.
Nothing better than just hanging out in a kitchen with your guys.
Yep.
Taking pizza bites, getting major cheese pulls.
That is actually pig brain. And it's thought that if you eat pig's brain, then you'll get smarter.
Why do we need to get smarter on my episode?
More feats of culinary excellence.
Boys, look at that ass.
It looks like a Picasso painting.
It's got like char on it. It's not Neapolitan. It's a Feast Mansion
Sea
pizza. Hell yeah.
Then even more Ludo.
That dude's kind of like... He's kind of like Giga Ramsay. Like, it's kind of like borderline abusive.
See, that's why I don't put too much shit in my burger.
What?
It's already happening.
I know at the Feast Mansion, it's all about pushing culinary boundaries. So I thought it might be fun if we made a hot sauce.
Greatest fucking cooking show in the world.
Greatest cooking show in the world.
Greatest cooking show in the fucking world, baby.
I'm glad to be here at the Feast Mansion.
Greatest fucking cooking show in the world.
It's the greatest honor in cooking.
The last season, we became really great chefs, like the best chefs of our generation. But there's one thing that we still haven't conquered.
I've seen the crab and SpongeBob make the burgers before, so I'd say it's like the same thing.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion.
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 Gordon Ramsay and Bobby Flay, they called me and they were like, yo, like, can we be on the show? I said, no, dude, that's, are you kidding?
Their pizza sucks.